Just going to have a little spin around Cofton Holiday Park. It's just on the outskirts of Dawlish, about 2 miles from Dawlish. It's a really nice park. I've had family and friends stay there and they said it's really good. This is a little lane that goes from Cockwood into Cofton. And it's a bit like this on the right here, and it looks like it's an old estuary. So it's all blocked off now with marshland. Have a little look around inside here. That's the back of it. Okay. They've just renewed all the sports facilities. The gym, made it bigger. It's obviously open this week. People still camping. Good to see. These lodges look nice. Not how much these are to hire. Got electric chargers there, which is good to see. These got jacuzzis. A little decking area, nice. I don't think they've got hot tubs, which surprises me. I thought they would have. Straight across there is Holden Trails, Marmhead Trails. Holden Forest, Marmhead. So it is a campsite as well then. I thought it was just for vans, mobile homes, but there's normal tents here as well, which is good. It's one of those sites, it's only 2 miles from home, and I think, is it really worth me coming to stay here? Well, this is all camping up here, all plots. There's plenty of facilities here. This is all the camping here area. The guy had a puncher, looked like he had it in control. I can't really help him. So all this getting used in the summer. It's actually quite nice camping weather. It cools down a bit at night, obviously, but then again it does in the summer, so. Some nice vans here. They've actually got an outdoor swimming pool here as well. These are nice holiday homes. I might set up and buy one of these. There's the swimming pool ahead.
I'll give you a ring tomorrow.
Oh yeah, okay.
Just your daddy that.
So you'll probably be in tomorrow morning waiting for them to come out?
I presume the outdoor pool's closed, although it doesn't look like. Looks nice. I was thinking of becoming a member of the gym here, but I think it's £45 a month, and it's not a massive gym. Nice equipment.
Going to swimming. Or is it going to the inside swimming?
So that's the big clubhouse. This is nice. Not quite sure what's on the other side of the barrier up there. An extension of the park. Oh, it's a bigger part of the site. We've got hard pitches here, but on like artificial grass. It's quite a good idea. This is still Cofton. We've got nice vans here, nice pods. These are all hard pitches though. All the pumpkins are out. Well, that was a little look around Cofton Holiday Park. just near Dawlish, between Dawlish and Dawlish Warren. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. It all helps and just lets me know that people enjoy the videos. And you'll see me on the next video.
Find a laundrette somewhere. No.